everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Will It Work. If you are here for the first time, you're welcome. I'm Reva, and this episode I'm going to talk about how to naturally heal if your body has some allergy and that is causing itching. This recipe has come from my mother, and I remember she doing this to us when we were kids to kind of during infection time. She made sure that she gave us this scrub so that we never caught any infections. And I'm happy my mother did so that I can share this recipe with you all. So the three ingredients that you need for this is neem powder or neem leaves, turmeric, and salt. All these ingredients you can find it at home, but just that I think neem leaves you need to check out for various options on where you can find it, or even you can look at it Amazon. Even before trying this DIY at home, I would say think about what all you ate a week before and try to understand the pattern of the food you have been taking, and try to get an answer what triggered the itching sensation. Did you have this in the family, or did it just started a week or 2 days ago, and how you feel about it? Do you feel like scratching it everywhere? At this point of time, I am having this itching feeling since a week. It's because I changed a house. That could be one reason. And also recently I have been eating a vegetable. That's an Indian vegetable. It's called chamagadda, and you find them only in Indian groceries. So I've eaten this last time when I was in India, like almost 5 years ago. So I think that could be one vegetable which triggered my itching. So how did I overcome this with just one homemade DIY? In the Indian groceries, I found the dried neem leaves. So I kind of I grinded it into a fine powder and added a teaspoon of turmeric, add a tablespoon of salt, and try to mix it. This is how the consistency looks. And then make sure that when you take shower, give a nice scrub with this mixture. Take about 20-30 minutes and give a proper scrub so that all the dead skin goes away. And take a bath with hot water so you feel good and warm. After shower, don't apply any soap after that, because you want to naturally heal it through the properties of these three ingredients. And do not apply any lotion, but if in case your skin is too dry, maybe you can apply olive oil or some sort of oil, but do not use any chemicals right after your shower. For me, it helped in just one go. I'm feeling great, and this is my experience, so you can try. It worked for me, and I'm hoping it will work for you as well. You just have to try it. Hoping this recipe will help you. If you try this recipe, then please leave a comment below and let me know how it worked for you so that it's helpful for others and follow. If you like the video, please like, share, and comment. Hoping to see you in my next video. And also subscribe to my channel Will It Work. Until then, bye.